this recipe helps make sure that beef is on the party menu. Here's Taryn and Crystal with more.
Yes, nice weather is in the forecast for the Super Bowl, and this might be the perfect recipe. This is a beef kebab that you've made before.
Yes, this is a family favorite, and I love using sirloin because it's a lean cut of meat. And we also at our house, we like to pair beef with vegetables a lot of the time. As a mom, I like to serve beef to my family because it gives them, you don't have to eat very much of it to get the benefits of zinc, iron, and protein, and also vitamin B12. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make our marinade.
Okay.
So we're gonna add, it's a really easy marinade. We're gonna just add some soy sauce. And if you wanna add the Worcestershire sauce.
Is this a recipe you came up with, or did a friend share it?
I think I have probably I always look up recipes online when I have a cut of beef that I need to use up. And so I think I've just kind of put it together from a couple different ones. That's what I tend to do. Here we're gonna add some lemon juice, and then I just chopped up a clove of garlic, so I minced that and pour that in.
Smells great.
Your marinade. And then we have some salt and some pepper, a little bit of mustard, and then if you want to add the vegetable oil too, that's right in front of you. Yep.
Okay.
And that's all it is. And we're just going to stir this together. And then we're going to add it to, I think it's just easiest. I have some veggies and my sirloin beef that I cut. And so you want to keep your beef in cubes of 1 to 1.5 inches. And then when you cut your veggies, just cut them about the same size as the beef.
All right.
So I do most of the marinade, I just pour into the beef. And I let this marinate overnight. Thank you.
Yeah, help you out there.
And then I reserve.
Okay.
Yep. And then I reserve a little bit. I stick this in the fridge, and the next morning, I don't like my veggies super soggy.
Right.
So about an hour or a few hours before I want to grill, then I'll just add the rest of the marinade to my veggies.
Okay.
And we were just talking about the Cattlemen's Ball, and what also, it's June 5th through the 6th, and what I love about Cattlemen's Ball is we get to raise money for cancer research, but also we're promoting beef in a healthy lifestyle. So this is very much a great healthy item that you can feed your family. It's going to be beautiful on Sunday, and this would feed a crowd. So.
All right, and this recipe is already on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page. Crystal, this looks amazing. Thank you for sharing this.
Yep, no problem.
All right, back to you, John.